Welcome to homework.
Okay, so some plants have this really neat feature, which is known as gravitropism, which makes sense as it involves a shift in gravity. And the idea is if we have a plant here of some sort and it gets tilted or say it falls over in some way, right? So now our plant looks something like this. The cells at the growing portion have something in them called amyoplast, right? So they have this amyoplast that is always settled to where gravity is. So in our initial plant, in these cells where growth is happening, the amyoplast will be sort of down, right? And at the initial tilt, they're going to kind of be then on the side or not totally settled down. And so what'll happen though is over time, and not even that much time, they're going to resettle thanks to the gravity, right? And so they'll resettle, and these amyoplasts orient the direction of growth. Okay, so while they're at the bottom, growth will always sort of happen in the opposite direction, right? And so the very initial point when they're kind of off to the side, well, growth will still sort of happen perpendicular to that, right? Because it'll still see it wanting to grow in the opposite direction. But as soon as they correct themselves, okay, so once they've sort of corrected themselves, then it'll start to grow upright again. And so you'll see the plant will sort of start curving upwards, okay? Okay, and so from our solutions then, you will see then that the stem will start curving and growing upwards. So the answer is C.